Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about printing the numbers or stars alphabets in the format of the half pyramid style. Okay, so we're going to print the pattern triangle in this using the C programming language. Okay, so first of all, so here we are going to print the stars in the format of the half pyramid style. Okay, so in the place of stars you can use any symbols if you want, but I'm using the stars to get printed in the format of the pyramid style, half pyramid style. So if you understand this, the printing of the stars in the format of the half pyramid style, then you can easily learn how to print the numbers and alphabets in this same pattern. Okay, so first of all, so let us learn how to print the stars in the format of the square. So then you can easily understand how to print the stars in the format of the triangle. Okay, so why? Because here in the this is the half part, that is the diagonal part. If you take, so this is the half part, right? So triangle, so a square is having two triangles. Okay, if you divide it into two parts, so that's why if you understand this, how to print the stars in the format of square, then you can easily learn the how to print stars in the pyramid style. Okay, so here, so if you observe it clearly, so here we are having in the square we are having 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So here we are having the 3 rows and 3 columns, that is so first one is 0 1 2, and similarly here 0 1 and 2. So this is the row and this is the column. So like this we are having the 3 rows and 3 columns, right? Okay, so here in the square to print the stars in the format of all, we are going to use the for loop to print the rows. Okay, so to print each row we are using the for loop. Okay, that is the outer loop. And to print the columns here, so to print the columns we are using the inner loop. Okay, so like this we are going to use. So this is the code for to print the stars in the square matrix. Okay, so for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 3, I plus plus. Okay, so here you can write this same for loop like this, or else you can write the same for loop like this also. For I equals to 0, okay, I less than or I less than 3, I plus plus. So here I want to print 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So this outer loop represents the rows. Okay, if you want to print the if you want to print 3 rows, then you can denote it like this. So like this, either like this or like this. So here I am printing I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 3, that means 1 2 3. So we are going to print the number of rows. Similarly here I equals to 0 to I less than 3, that means so it will print 0 1 and 2, right? See here, if you are using this for loop, it is going to print 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so here in the both the for loops we are going to print only 3 rows, right? So you can use either this one or this one as to print this rows and columns. Okay, so here for the first, so here I am going to denote it because in the code 1 2 3 here it is given. So I am going to write it as 1 2 and 3. So that is the first row, first row, second row and third row. Similarly, first column, second column and third column. Okay, so if you execute this code, so I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 3, I plus plus, that is the incrementing the I value. So I equals to 1. So if so this is the outer loop and it denotes the row. Similarly for j equals to 1, so it is the inner loop. So it is going to denote the columns here. Okay, so if you execute this nested for loop, for each I value it is going to execute the inner loop thrice. Okay, so why? Because here j is, the condition is given as j less than or equals to 3. So that's why it is going to execute 3 times for each and every I value. Okay, so if you execute I equals to 1, okay, so for I equals to 1, I less than 3, that is 1 less than or equals to 3, so which is true, right? So it will go to the inner loop, and it is going to execute this inner loop until the condition becomes false. Okay, so it is going to execute this inner loop until the this for j condition will become false. Okay, after that it is going to come out of the loop. Okay, in the second line it is going to print the next value, that is I equals to 2 value. Okay, so for the first iteration it is going to take like this. So for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 3, so the condition is true, so it will go to the inner loop. So 1 less than or equals to 3, correct only, right? So 1 is less than or equals to 3 for j equals to 1. Okay, so 1 is less than or equals to 3, and then j is going to get incremented, so j will become 2. So 2 less than or equals to 3. Okay, which is correct. So after that incremented, and it will become 3. Okay, sorry. So here, so j value get incremented and j will become 3. So 3 less than or equals to 3, which is true. So again it is going to print 3 star. So for the j value 1, 2, 3, it is going to print the 3 stars for each and every loop, for loop. Okay, so in the format of the columns. So I is going to represent the row and j is going to represent the column. Okay, so in the first row it is going to print the, for first iteration of j, it is going to print this star, and for second iteration, that is 2 less than or equals to 3, it is going to print this star, and for the third iteration, that is 3 less than or equals to 3, it is going to print this star. Okay, so for the I value 1, it is going to print 3 stars in the square matrix. So similarly, if you are going to take the so after finishing 3 stars, so j value will become 4. 4 less than or equals to 3 is false. So the condition will become false, and in the new line it is going to, so it is going to print the next remaining stars in the new line. So the control comes to new line. So after that for loop will execute here. So I will become 2. Okay, so here I value becomes 2, and 2 is less than or equals to 3, that is true. Okay, so what will happen here? So again the j will check here. So j equals to 1, 1 less than or equals to 3. So here it is going to print the stars in the second row. So I equals to 2, right? So in the second row it is going to print the, so each and every column, that is the first column. So in the second row, in the first column it is going to print this star, and similarly in the second column it is going to print this star, and third column it is going to print this star. Okay, so here the, for every outer loop, so it is going to execute thrice. Okay, so it is going to print the stars thrice here. So in the each and every column, so the first column it is going to print star, and third column it is going to print this star, so and so on it is going to print. So again if the condition becomes false, it will come to the new line, and I will become 3. So again it will 3 less than or equals to 3 is true. So again j will be executed, it will run thrice, and it will print 3 stars here in the third row. Okay, so like this it is going to print the stars in the format of the square matrix. Okay,